YouTube want to pay you to make YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'm going to look at why they want to give you money and, more importantly, how you can get your hands on some of it. Plus, there's an update on what's coming to the YouTube Shorts beta app too. YouTube now have a fund of $100 million to give creators to create shorts, even if you're not monetized. So why are they doing this? Instagram and TikTok are rolling out their monetization on their short form video platforms. And YouTube are still trying to figure this out. I didn't expect monetization on shorts to be available till the end of this year, but the blog post that YouTube released on this fund has also let us know when we should expect monetization on YouTube Shorts. So in the meantime, they're rolling out this 100 mil to everyone on the YouTubes. That's right, even if you're not monetized, you can still get some moolah from YouTube. So if you're just starting, you can get a share of that 100 mil. If you've been around for a while and have a big channel, you can get a share of the 100 mil. And if you have a channel in between, you can get a share of the 100 mil. So how do you get your cut of this 100 mil? It's actually quite simple. On their blog post, they outline exactly what those steps are. The blog post says, anyone is eligible to participate in the fund simply by creating unique shorts that delight the YouTube community. Each month, we'll reach out to thousands of creators whose shorts received the most engagement and views to reward them for their contributions. So all you need to do is get a boatload of views, get a shedload of engagement, and YouTube will give you some moolah. They may also ask you for your feedback on the YouTube Shorts app, YouTube Shorts in general, and your overall experience with YouTube Shorts. So you can tell them what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like them to add to the YouTube Shorts beta app or just YouTube Shorts in general. As it says here, the Shorts Fund is not limited to just creators on the YouTube Partner Program. Creators will be eligible to participate if they create original content for Shorts and adhere to our community guidelines. So that means that you're not stealing other people's content, you're not going to TikTok, downloading somebody's videos and then uploading them to your YouTube channel. The YouTube community guidelines apply to all those videos that you create. What you can do is you can sample audio from the billions of videos on the YouTube platform for your own YouTube short video. But currently that is only up to 15 seconds through the YouTube Shorts beta app, which really isn't a lot. But I wouldn't even focus on sampling other people's content right now. Creating your own original content has always been the safest route to take on YouTube. There are new features coming to the YouTube Shorts beta app. Now, I know you may not have access to it, as at the time of recording it's only available in the US and India. But I do expect Europe and Asia to have access to it soon. This is YouTube, so we'll get to know about it probably a few days before it gets rolled out, so watch this space and I'll let you know when that happens. The YouTube Shorts beta app will have the ability to automatically add captions to your shorts. You'll also have the ability to record up to 60 seconds with the Shorts camera. This is really good as the TikTok app leaves the YouTube Shorts beta app for dust right now, as the beta app only does up to 15 seconds. You can also add clips from your phone's gallery to add to your recordings made with the Shorts camera. From the testing I've done, I've only been able to add one video from my gallery. So this is a good update that I can take multiple clips and then edit them into my Shorts video. They're also going to add basic effects to color correct your shorts, with more effects to come in the future. This is standard on any social media app today, so it's nothing special in my personal view. Depending on what way the color correction is done, that might have something of value, but the effects and filters and stuff like that, that's pretty standard today in all social media apps. Currently, the 15-second limit on the YouTube Shorts beta app is way too short and I don't even use it. To create my YouTube Shorts, I use Adobe Rush or iMovie to create my videos that way. Then those videos can be any length I want up to that 60-second limit. And so when can we expect Shorts to be monetized? Now, before we get into when we can expect monetization, if you want to get started with YouTube Shorts, make sure to click that link up there or in the description below to watch my video on how to get started with YouTube Shorts step by step. Even if you're not in the US or India and you don't have access to the YouTube Shorts beta app. And if you'd like to know how to grow your YouTube channel using YouTube Shorts, click the link in the description below to watch this video on how you can use Shorts to grow your YouTube channel. So when will Shorts be monetized? As you can see here, it says we're introducing the YouTube Shorts Fund, a 100 million fund distributed over the course of 2021 to 2022. So it looks like YouTube have already conceded that monetization will not be in place on YouTube Shorts till 2022. I was expecting monetization on Shorts by the end of 2021, as Christmas is the biggest shopping season of the year. TikTok are aiming to have their Shopify and other monetization strategies in place by Christmas so that TikTokers can make money from their TikTok videos. So it seems unlikely YouTube will have this in place unless you are a big channel and you are on the Shopify beta program, and then you'll be able to have your Shopify store on your YouTube channel. But it looks like the Shopify shelf will not be available on the Shorts videos or on the Shorts shelf by Christmas this year, if at all. So for now, you got to create Shorts that get a boatload of views and a boatload of engagement, and YouTube will come knocking on your door to give you money for your hard work, no matter your channel size or if you're monetized or not. What are your thoughts on this 100 mil fund? How much of it would you like? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Now, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, click on that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos every single Tuesday to help you grow your YouTube channel, especially if you're a business or you want YouTube as your business. And also get notified when we go live every single Saturday with the Saturday stream to answer your questions, again, to help you grow your YouTube channel. If you'd like to grow your YouTube channel with YouTube Shorts, make sure to click that link right there. Or if you'd like to know how to create Shorts step by step, then click that link right there.